Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock screener. First, understand that a stock screener is a powerful tool designed to filter through thousands of stocks, helping you pinpoint those that align with your specific investment strategy. It's like having a personal assistant sifting through mountains of data for you. By setting clear parameters, you can efficiently narrow down your options, saving countless hours of research. This guide will walk you through the simple steps to effectively build and utilize your own stock screener. Now, let's dive into the essential criteria for your screener. You'll want to consider fundamental metrics like the price-to-earnings ratio, perhaps looking for stocks with a P/E below 15, and market capitalization, maybe focusing on companies above $500 million. Don't forget growth indicators such as revenue growth over the past 3 years, aiming for at least 10%. Also, technical indicators, like a stock trading above its 200-day moving average, can reveal strong trends. For more control, you can manually overclock your RAM. First, disable XMP or DOCP. Then, you can adjust the memory frequency in small increments, perhaps by 100 or 200 MHz at a time. You'll also need to fine-tune primary timings, such as CAS latency, and carefully increase the DRAM voltage, typically by 0.05 volts, to ensure stability. This method requires patience and attention to detail. Finally, it's time to analyze and refine your results. The list generated by your screener is a starting point, not a final recommendation. Take the time to review each stock, conducting deeper qualitative research into the company's management, industry outlook, and competitive advantages. If your list is too long, tighten your criteria. If it's too short, consider broadening them slightly. Remember, combining quantitative screening with qualitative analysis leads to more informed investment decisions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.